Good evening, kids. Welcome back to library class. I am your teacher named Deepti Saxena. I just hope that you all remembered me. Okay, before starting our class, I will just recap some of the point which I taught you in the previous class. Yes. Do you all remember that what I have taught you? Yes, I have taught you the meaning of bibliography and autobibliography. Bibliog- Bibliography is listing of work used or considered by an author in the preparation of a work. Second term is autobiography. It is a story of a person who has written by its own. Means, if a person himself has written his own story, that story is considered as autobiography. Okay, I just hope that you understand the meaning of both of the term. Moving ahead, I just remember that I have shared one small autobiography about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I hope that you all love that autobiography. Before sharing the new topic with you all, I just want to recap the previous bibliography. Okay, going ahead, just see who is he. Yes, he is the missiles man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The whole bibliography I have distributed in some of the major points like childhood and his journey, Dr. APJ Kalam sir as a scientist and an engineer, missile history of India and India in the world. Okay, student, moving ahead. This is the childhood picture of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now, your next question will be, what is the full form of APJ Abdul Kalam? Yes, the full form of APJ is Abul Pakir Janullah Badin Abdul Kalam. Students, moving to the second point, as a life of Dr. APJ Kalam sir as a scientist was that he was an aerospace scientist who joined Indian Defence Department after graduating from Madras Institute of Technology. He was a central figure in development of the country nuclear capacity. He was the person who launched the first SLV-3 satellite launch vehicle, putting the Rohini satellite in orbit. Some of the nuclear weapons name which has been discovered by APJ Abdul Kalam are Agni, Prithvi, Nag, Dhanush and Akash missiles. After the discovery of these missiles, a new world order emerged after India carried out the nuclear experiment in May 1998 and became a nuclear weapon state. Today, India is one of the few countries in the world to have indigenous development missile system including critical technologies like the re-entry tip for ballistic missiles. These all things has done just because of APJ Abdul Kalam. One important section I am missing. Students, please pay attention about the award and the honors which have been received by Dr. Kalam. He has received 7 honorable doctorates, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan from Indian government. He was the 11th former president of country India. He has served India from year 2002 till 2007. Last but not least, yes students, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam loved to called be as a teacher. He used to give very and many important words for students. Some are love your value, ego for kill, smile, keep it, success, achieve it, genius, distance it, knowledge, acquire it, and nevertheless, confidence, trust it. Yes, student, until unless you don't have confidence in yourself, you can't achieve. Okay, students, moving ahead, there are some of the habits which he loves to do about writing books, writing poetry, writing songs, and various quotation which still the people are reading for some positive morality. One of the important points he has shared for the student is that one of the very important characteristic of a student is to question. So let the student ask the question. Yes, student, whatever the confusion, just ask that and clear your doubt within that time. Never waste your time. This is the point for success. Okay, student, my topic is closed. I just hope that now you are clear about the bibliography of APJ Abdul Kalam. Learn it properly, write somewhere so that it whatever the problem about this topic will be clear. Thank you for listening to me. Okay, don't go anywhere. I'm sharing one new topic with you for the recent class. We will meet next time with more clarification about the second topic. Are you ready? I just hope yes.